Hi, this is Sandra Smith, Product Manager for Wexxar Bel. Today we're going to be looking at the 5252U, which is our semi-automatic form, pack, and seal system for a single operator. So you see the operator opens the case from flat, pushes it down into the machine, and the case is folded and held in place. So you're packing directly into your own box. Both hands are free for the operators for maximum efficiency for loading of the case. Once the case is loaded, the operator just pushes it a few inches until the sealer picks up the case and takes it through the snap folder mechanism, which folds the top of the case, and then on in through the sealing. So in a single footprint, we're forming, we're packing, and sealing. The three needs are being met by that single operator. On through the tape head, so you have greater product protection through our Deca 22 tape heads, consistency in sealing, and throughput and reliability. In terms of changeover of the machine, changeover for width and height is available on either side of the machine. The length and snap folder adjustments are available no matter what side they're on the machine naturally. So the operator simply makes a width adjustment and adjusts the former and the sealer at the same time, and then the height adjustment to the machine based on the case itself. And once the machine is dialed in, they're able to put the case into the machine, and box one is ready to run. We use the snap folders to dynamically fold the top of the case. It gives us a shorter footprint and makes it very safe for the operator to work at the rear of the machine. For form, pack, and sealing solutions, the BEL 5252 is your best overall investment.